Hey, what's up guys? It's Kane from Top Rap Canada. So this episode, we're gonna show you what's going on a Monday. So Monday is usually when we load up the shop, and we got a lot of different varieties of projects this week. Obviously we have some protection film. Alexa is just in the middle of sealing all the edges on this Mustang. It's a Bullet, so it's pretty much a special edition. Full body coverage, PPF, ceramic coating. And yeah, I'll just take you around the shop, show you guys what's going on. So, as you guys might know, we do window tints, and what's really popular now is the ceramic tints. What this car is getting is a ceramic tint on the side windows, and also a 70% ceramic tint on the windshield. So this is gonna prevent the heat from actually going through the windshield. So it's gonna have a full heat protection. The color stability in ceramic films is a lot better. So if you guys are interested in ceramic tints, let us know. This is a John Cooper Works Mini Cooper. So where we're doing some stripes, we have some custom side decals that are about to go down. You guys might see that when it gets delivered. But what else is getting done? Ceramic tints as well on this one. We just finished blacking out all the chrome. We're gonna be tinting the lights. So a lot of little details here and there. And Max, what are you working on right now? Qu'est-ce que tu fais, mon homme? Des miroirs. So this is a Tesla Model 3 mirror. As you can see, it's pretty much fully taken apart. This is the best way to do it. I like it because you don't have patches or seams. It really makes it look like it's supposed to be factory. So satin finish, really popular. And guys, if you haven't seen the new 992, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Interior, exterior, full body is gonna get protection by Expel. It's gonna get a ceramic coating on the entire exterior. We're also gonna be ceramic coating the interior since it's a light color, if you wanna protect against stains and stuff like that. The door panels and the seats are gonna have a ceramic coating. Typically lasts 1 to 2 years. You gotta do it yearly, but it's gonna prevent the seats from staining with blue jeans. And I'd love to start this one up for you, but maybe later in the episode I'll do that for you guys. This is a Mercedes SLS from Toys Auto Art, and we're doing a complete satin protection film on this, changing the finish of the original color, giving it the protection of a protection film. So really rare beast. Really happy to be working on this one, but I'll show you guys something, something that we stand by is quality, and we noticed a little defect in the film, so I ripped up this corner here. We're gonna redo the entire bumper, but at the end of the day, we just want to make sure the customer's happy with the job, so that's what we're doing here. And further into the week, we got some really special projects. Excited to show you guys, so stay tuned in this episode, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on later. No, what'd you do? Oh my God, what'd you do? Just kidding, guys, it's just glue. So we're gonna grab the steamer. We're gonna steam this steamer. We're gonna pull this off. Guys, by the way, DJ Frozen in the house. Follow her on Instagram, DJ Frozen. She's a rapper, PPF installer by day, DJ by night. So catch her on her live stream whenever, I don't know when. When are you doing your live stream? Sometimes. At least it's not never. So this project was actually wrapped a little less than a year ago, and it came back because they wanted to, well, we need to do some touch-ups on the front. So this is actually a really good example to show you guys. Vinyl wrap is not as strong as protection film. So the thickness is the best. The way I can compare it is it's the same thickness as paint. So if it's gonna chip paint, it's definitely gonna chip the vinyl wrap. So you got chips all over the front. We're gonna rewrap it, but instead what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put a satin protection film over it so you can enjoy the car a lot longer than a little bit less than a year. It is an 850 horsepower monster, so I'm sure he drives it a little bit fast. And what else we got out here? This is a car we did for Honda Lallier, actually. This is a sold car. We did a two-tone on it. We're waiting for them to come pick it up right now. Guys, another JDM Legend in the house. So we got 2 JDM Legends this week. This one is owned by our good friend John May, actually the guy right behind the camera. He is, by the way, follow him, the photographers on Instagram. If ever you need an amazing videographer, if you guys like this type of content, this is the guy that's shooting it for us. So let's go over what we did on this car. So he had the front end repainted. We spent 2 days wet sanding everything, making it beautiful and smooth on the front. And then we put a protection film so it won't get chipped. Next thing we did is we refreshed the entire top of this car with our gloss black, super gloss black paint protection film. So check it out. It is by far the best finish on the market. We actually have another car to do at Lamborghini Montreal tomorrow. It's a Porsche GT3. So best top quality product right now. I used to hate gloss black vinyl wraps, but this completely changed my mind. What else did we do on it? Well, we completely redid the entire paint. It was lots of marring, lots of scratches, and we just brought it back to life, you know? This thing is truly a legend, but this thing was a fun project to work on, especially since it doesn't have any kits available. So we did everything custom by hand. So JDM Legend number 2, we got the RX-7 inside, and maybe one day we'll finish the Soarer.
Hey guys, this is Josh here at Top Wrap. Right now I'm doing an inspection, a pre-inspection on this beautiful red Ferrari that just got delivered to us today. The client just received it. They brought it straight from Ferrari to us. We're doing a full paint correction, paint protection, and a ceramic coating on it. So first we do a pre-inspection as the car came. Then once it's washed, we bring it inside under our shop lights with inspection lights on top of it to do a total inspection and make sure we find every little defect that there might be and make sure we address them. Right here we have one small defect that we've noticed so far. It's a little tiny dull spot, very hard to notice, but this is the type of stuff that we really want to point out and make sure we fix it before we put the paint protection film over it. That way we know the paint is going to be immaculate. So part of the pre-inspection is to see what scratches there are, or if there's any maybe dust in the paint that needs to be wet sanded and polished out. So right here we have a little scratch that could have possibly happened during transport or just came like that from factory, who knows. So we'll make sure we fix this before the PPF goes over it.
All right, so what's happening right now is Hugo is in the process of heating the film. And he's gonna go up and down so that he heats the wrinkles, right? Exactly, we're going this way. So what happened with this bumper was that we actually wrapped this car 8 months ago, and well, he did a little bit of mileage with it, and he realized that the front bumper was getting chipped, and it got chipped like crazy. Well, this is an 850 horsepower Cadillac CTS-V, so let's say he drives it. What happened was, got the chips, now 8 months later he came back, and we're rewrapping it. Instead of just rewrapping it, we're gonna put a protection film. This just goes to show the thickness of wrap is actually almost the same as paint. So if it's gonna chip the paint, it's gonna chip the wrap the same. We like to use the blowtorch here. This is more for practicality wise, but if you guys aren't experienced with wrapping, I always suggest you guys use a heat gun.
So here we have another 911 that we're doing a full PPF on it. So we're gonna remove these emblems. That way we could have a seamless design and then reinstall the emblems afterwards. Before we do anything, we always make a template of all the emblems so we know exactly where they go once we reinstall them.
Hello? Lots is up. SLS right now. What's up with you? Yeah. We're gonna hustle hard to finish it for tomorrow. Well, if there's anything, we're gonna little touch-ups for tomorrow, but we're gonna finish it for today. Yeah, I know. You're gonna need to do the exhaust and stuff. Not the exhaust, but the suspension. Yeah. Cool. All right, I will. Okay, bye. That was Avo. He wants his SLS. They're gonna be dropping the suspension. We had done the front bumper. Honestly, wasn't really happy with it, so we removed it. We want to you know, tuck it really under all the moldings and everything. The thing is, this car, I don't know the history behind it, but there's just, we can't get it underneath the molding. So we spent a couple hours trying to prep all the rubber under, and it just keeps leaving residue. So we made the call where we might just not go under the rubbers there this time. And it's just about editing the kits. Mark's upstairs preparing all the rest of the car. It is an older car, so the kits back in the day, they weren't as advanced as they are in 2020. So now we actually have to make adjustments to make it how we want it, to give it a better effect, because some of the areas it just, there leaves huge gaps, and I wasn't happy with it, so we pulled off those pieces, redid them. You see, like we're just taking it apart, so gas caps, stuff like this, little details that really add to the final result. So it's just time. It takes time to make something good, and we're just taking the time to do it. So that's it.